welcome to my YouTube channel. You watching World News 41. Today's breaking news. Navy leaders said Wednesday they are moving aggressively to remove more than half the sailors off the USS Theodore Roosevelt aircraft carrier, which has been hit with nearly 100 COVID-19 infections and counting. But Navy Secretary Thomas Modly and Chief of Naval Operations Michael Gilday made clear they do not agree with Captain Brett Crozier, the carrier's commanding officer, that 90% of the crew need to be sent ashore for quarantine in Guam, where the ship is making a port visit.